Hi everybody, just a quick tutorial about increasing the resolution of your Jpeg downloads for Google Slides, or the actual resolutions of the slides themselves. So the problem you'll often come across is like this, where I'm doing this presentation and there's some maps on one of the slides, or quite a few of the slides, but if you go File, Download, and download the JPEG to maybe insert it into a video, or just to play the slideshow itself to use it, the resolution's too low. You end up with these blurry pictures and they just don't look good. So how do you increase the resolution? Well, what you want to do is you want to go to File and you want to go to Page Setup, and then where it says Widescreen, you want to go to Custom. And then what you want to do then is change the pixels. So go to something like 1920 by 1080. As you can see, before I change it, you see that it's really, really low, the resolution. But if we go to 1920 by 1080, sort of standard HD, and we apply that, then if I go File, Download, where is it? JPEG, image of the current slide. And then we look at this one. What we should see now, it is, well, you can just see it's just bigger, isn't it? There's just so much more detail that can be read. And of course, you can go higher as well to increase, especially if you're working on, say, a big 4K monitor or a big 4K TV as well. You just have to make sure that you keep within the correct aspect ratio, so that it still fits as it should. But 1920 by 1080, I think, is a good compromise, and just increases the quality so much so people can actually see the finer detail on the slides when you zoom in, or when it's just on the screen, or when you download the JPEG. Okay, so hopefully that's been useful. If it has been, hit like. If you want to see more of the same, press subscribe, and of course I'll see you again soon.